to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the Microsoft Word shortcuts you'll need to know to just make your life easier, I guess, to make editing easier. To do that, for instance, you want to make this text bold or this whole sentence bold, you're just going to select it. You can either go here or go up here, but you can also press Ctrl B on your keyboard. The same thing goes for underlining, Control U, and the same thing goes for italicizing, I don't know how to say that word, Control I on your keyboard. To copy, I feel like you know this, press Control C on your keyboard and press Control V. To cut a text, press Control X instead, and to paste, press Control V. To save your document, you are just going to press Control S on your keyboard, and to create a new document, press Control N, and it'll create this new document. And if you want to select all of the text, you're just going to press Control A on your keyboard, and it will select everything. And that's pretty much some of the shortcuts that I do know to make editing in Microsoft Word easier. I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!